Good morning, guys. I just want to do a quick sort of Facebook Live on just putting this question out there. What's your sort of biggest challenge you're having with sort of lead generation at the moment, especially obviously we've been in the financial services niche. I mean, I speak to a lot of sort of people daily in terms of how do I generate leads from Facebook, cold email, uh, you name it. It doesn't really matter. And I think irrespective of sort of the platform you're using, I think for me it comes down to a number of things. I think the first thing is really understand your customer. Obviously, if you say pushing, say life insurance or wealth management or whatever financial product or service you're selling is try and tailor it to your target audience. So I know I talk about life insurance a lot because obviously everyone needs it, right? But actually, why not take it a step further and really say niche it down? So what about trying to push life insurance to stay people already fit and healthy? Purely because typically the benefits are better. So first point is know your customer. Really understand them inside out. What are their interests, pain points, desires? What are they struggling with right now that you can add value? Which I suppose leads on to the hook or offer. So once you know kind of more about sort of uh, your target customer, what value could he add to them? Just to start a conversation. So if you know, for example, that your target audience is having a problem, could you provide some content to Facebook Live? Could you really go above and beyond, which will actually help them out? And all of a sudden, you're going to build instant trust and rapport, which will eventually allow them to remember you, or even take the next step to have a conversation with you. So it's at the end of the day, I think you've got to lead in with a value-led approach. I mean, there's nothing wrong with obviously going in quite low and go something more of a transactional offer, but I think for me, if you go the value-led approach and whether eventually they will come to you, I, I preach value and it's something I do daily. And I've had people come to me who've been in my world for maybe 6, 12 months, even longer, saying they need help now. Even friends who I've been to school with started to realize what I do. And uh, I very rarely sell directly. So see adding value as an investment, whether it's a Facebook page or a group, maybe focus on adding value where your target audience kind of spends time. Another thing to do is create blog posts and just promote them via Facebook ads and build an audience that way. Once you've got an audience of people that have actually read your posts, you can retarget them too. And finally, I think the important thing is to test it. It's important to test as many different things as possible. Make sure you test one variable at a time. And whatever you do, make sure that every sort of thing you do is trackable. So if you're running campaigns and you can't track the response, and for me it has to be a minimum of an engagement such as a comment or a lead, I won't bother doing it. I see too many people just chuck money into marketing and advertising blindly, and they just don't know if it's going to work or not as well. So that was quite a short Facebook Live this morning, but hopefully it'll give you some ideas in terms of how to resolve some challenges you might be having with lead generation. And I think you've got to give it a good test as well. So just persevere with it, keep testing. If you have any specific questions, just add a comment in the group, and myself and my team will get back to you. And have a good day. Thank you.